Hello, welcome to our sample room. This is Celia from Fusen International Enterprise Limited. We specialize in different kinds of handmade gift boards. Now I would like to introduce the samples we made before. This is a magnetic board with drawer. And you can see it's very creative. And the whole board we use 2mm gray sheet board, and the outer board we use coated paper with 3 Pantone color, 1, 2, 3, and do the matte lamination. And here you can see very shiny. We do spot UV here, and here is stippled. And the back of the outer board, you can see a big gold heart stamping logo here. And the side, we also here to use 1 Pantone colored red and CNY cape. And the bottom of the box, you can see here that we use a gold heart stamping logo here. And here is a 1 cm widened ribbon to open the box. And the inside of the outer board, we also print CNY cake with 1 Pantone colored red here. And here is a label to stick here. And you can see the many patterns. We use 3 ground coat paper to cut the pattern and stick here, like some 3D view. And here is a ribbon stitch and handle the box to open, to not fall down. And the inside of the outer board, we use white art paper. And for the drawer, we also use coated paper with CNY cape and do the lamination. And for the insert, we also cover the coated paper and print CNY cape. And we use 1 cm widened white UR font and die cutting 3 hole to handle the candy drop. And on the bottom, we also covered 300 gram coated paper and print CNY cape pattern here. And here is a 1 cm widened ribbon, black ribbon, to open the drawer and show to your product. This board is for candies board. If you like this, please feel free to contact me. If you have any ideas of other boards, please contact me and I will send you the deadline to decide it. Thank you.